Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I'm going to take class 8 and the chapter what we are doing is square and square root. इसकी हम लोग 6.1 एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे जिसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th. Today I'll tell you 7th, 8th, 9th. We will complete this exercise today. Okay, let's start with me. Without adding you have not to add the numbers. Okay, here the question is given. आपको add नहीं करना है, but you have to find the sum. How? Remember, if you have seen my previous video, अगर नहीं देखा है तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्क्वायर, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर का वीडियो जरूर आप वॉच कीजिए क्योंकि उसमें ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल आई टोल्ड यू और उसी के ऊपर बेस्ड ये एक्सरसाइजेस हैं. Okay, so go through it, watch it. Okay, the principle that we are using in this question is sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to क्या होता है n का स्क्वायर. अब देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या है. 1 2 3 4 5 ऑल नंबर्स आर ऑड और कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर. फर्स्ट 5 ऑड नंबर. दैट मीन्स here we are having n equals to n is equal to what 5 है. ओके, तो फिर हमारा क्या होता है फॉर्मूला. दैट इज n का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू इस पूरे को दैट इज इक्वल टू n का स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स 5 का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 25. यू कैन फाइंड इट ऑल्सो, चेक कर सकते हैं हम लोग. देखते हैं 9 plus 1 is 10. ओके, 7 plus 3 is 10. 20 हो गया and 25. So we are having what 25. Okay, clear. Now see in this question हमें क्या करना है. sum of first n odd natural numbers. देखते हैं all are odd numbers. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here we are having n equals to what 9. That means n का स्क्वायर दिस ऑल इज इक्वल टू n का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू 9 का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू 81. ओके, यू कैन चेक. ओके, एज वी आर हैविंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ इट वी कैन डायरेक्टली पुट एंड फाइंड आउट. हमें मना किया गया है कि ऐड नहीं करना है. ओके, बट फॉर चेकिंग यू कैन. लेट्स कम टू द थर्ड पार्ट. नाउ अगेन व्हाट इज योर n काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now your n is 11. What will be our answer? See, n का square this is equal to n का square that means 11 का square that is equal to 121. 11 का square is what 121. So in this way you have to do the question number 7 without adding. How you have to find the sum? By using what n का square. The first n odd natural numbers. Okay, come to question number 8. See children, question number 8 is also based on the same principle that we have just done. See, express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. अब उसको reverse कर दिया है, sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay, so we can write here sum of 7 odd numbers. First 7 is written. No, okay, no problem. 7 odd numbers is equal to what 49. So let's start. 1 plus 7 चाहिए. Okay, 7 odd numbers होने चाहिए. 1 के बाद क्या आता है 3 आता है. Then उसके बाद क्या आता है 5 आता है. Then after 7 is there. Then after 9 is there. Then after 11 is there. कितने हो गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो गए. Then after 13 is there. That is equal to 49. You can add up all that. Then it will be 49. See, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 and 9 is 18. 19, 20, 25, 26, 26, 36, 36, 39, 49. So it's 49 only. Now you have to express this 121 as sum of ये. So what you have to write? You have to write in solution that sum of what 11 odd numbers. 11 odd numbers that is equal to हमें कितना चाहिए 121. Let's see. what it will be, 1 plus first 11 odd लेने, 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus काउंट कर लें, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 हुए अभी. ओके, 21 plus 23. I think it is over. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So इन सबका सम कितना होगा? That is 121. So you can express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. In odd numbers का सम होगा 121. Let's come to the next question. Question number 9. Okay children, let's come to question number 9. That is, how many consecutive numbers lie between square of the following numbers? इन दोनों के स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर्स होंगे? That means 12 के स्क्वायर and 13 के स्क्वायर के बीच में how many numbers would be there? How you can find it? You can find it by using the principle of perfect square that we have done in our earlier video. n का स्क्वायर और n plus 1 के स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर्स हैं? That we can find by just multiplying 2 in n. Okay, now what is n and what is n plus 1? Here n is what? Here n is 12 and n plus 1 is 13. So here n is equal to 12 and n plus 1 equals to what? 13. Okay, by using the principle that the numbers, what they are asking, number lie between them. So numbers lie between what? 12, what they are asking, squares, no? 12 का square, okay, you can write like this, and 13 का square r. Okay, how you will find out? This is equal to or equals to लिख सकते हो आप, that is 2n. Okay, what is our n? What is our n? Our n is what? 12. So simply by multiplying it with 2, you will get what? Your answer, that is 24. चलो इसको चेक कर लेते हैं, एक आंसर को हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं. ओके, लेट्स डू इट हियर. ये है 12 और ये है 13. इसका स्क्वायर क्या होगा? स्क्वायर ऑफ दीज नंबर्स विल बी, सी, इसका स्क्वायर और इसका स्क्वायर क्या होगा? इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 144, इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 169. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ओके, 145 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 162 163 164 165 166 167 168. Now just count it. Okay, how many we have find out? 24. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So no need to do this much work. Only by multiplying 2 with n will get the answer. That is what? 24. It is very simple. You have to use the principle that is given. Okay, by using the principle we can easily find out. See, ये भी देखते हैं कितनी आसानी से हो जाएगा. तो टोटल नंबर how many numbers? Simply write number lie between squares of, or what we are writing, 25 ka square and 26 ka square is equal to what? Here we are using n equals to 25 and n plus 1 is equal to what? 26. Okay, तो इन दोनों का स्क्वायर का ये कितना होगा? This is equal to what? 2n. So I have written here 2n. Okay, so this is 2 into 25. That is equal to what? 50. How many numbers will lie between the square of 25 and 26? That is what? 50 numbers will be lying between that, the squares of these two numbers. Let's come to 99 and 100. So this is also very simple. How you can find out this? इसका आंसर हमारा कितना आया? 50. Okay, this is 2n. Now let's come to this one. Here your n is what? N is equal to 99 and your n plus 1 is what? 100. By using the principle, we are having n ka square and n plus 1 ka square. This is equal to what? 2n hota hai. Okay, by using this principle, we are having n ka square numbers between square of 99 and 100 ka square is equal to 2n. That is equal to 2 into 99. That is equal to 2 9s are 18 k 8 carry 1, 2 9s are 18, 198. What is your answer? How many numbers are lying between the square of 99 and 100? That is 198. I think this is clear to you. Okay. Children, here we have completed our exercise. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new exercise. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Subscribe, like और share करना ना भूलें. Thank you.